Welcome to the channel where we've got a little bit of a impromptu chit chat. We've got Nigel popped in from Cartec. Those that watch the channel know that we love your stuff. Amazing products. And Nigel spent the afternoon having a bit of a catch up and a chit chat. I say now, Nigel formerly of Novel. So we have a connection already formed, which is great. So, which is part of why this works for us, obviously, because we're tying in the Novel products that you got us switched on to.
Great compliment, yeah.
And now straight onto the Cartec stuff, which, as you say, is a perfect compliment. Yeah. So, thank you for coming down, sir.
My pleasure. Thank you for inviting me. And the coffee is very good here as well, if I don't mind saying. So we've been talking a little bit about Cartec and about the products and the range that we use here at Paint and Classic Cars, and really trying to introduce new products as well that you might not know about, because I think I'm the first person to visit from Cartec, yeah, which is good. Yep. So I appreciate that, and thank you for the invite as well. So in terms of compounds, you've got everything here.
Yeah.
3,000 diamond cut, 4,000 rapid cut, and second stage 9,000 final cut. We did touch on the 12,000 for final polishing on dark colors and blacks for that piano gloss black finish.
Which we'll definitely be getting in and adding to.
Which is great. And we also introduced some new technology in terms of polishing pads, which is our hybrid pad, which is made from microfiber, wool and foam, which is going to give you extreme cut using both the 3,000 and the 4,000. The RF2000, this is called, so this is a great piece of kit and you're going to really enjoy using that.
Looking forward to that, because we really, one of the things, again, we've covered some of this before, but the pads that you've got, super efficient, but obviously because they are breathable as well, reusable, they clean, they don't clog, they don't generate huge amounts of heat. They're just a superb all-round pad. And obviously with this now, the extra cutting power straight from a 1500?
Yep, yeah, absolutely. So 3,000 will remove scratches from 1200s upwards.
Yep.
4,000 will remove scratches from 1,500 upwards. So it's a lot more extreme in terms of diamond cut. You've got full cut there with really good gloss. And with your 4,000, slightly less cut, but 1,500 is more than adequate, because most people are finishing on 3,000s with dry anyway. And you've got an extremely good gloss with that. So you can use that single stage. But in terms of cleanliness, it's slightly cleaner product, but this is a great product. This is for old paints and new.
We love it. I mean, we used to fight over who does the polishing for a negative reason, and now we fight over who does it for the positive reason, because this has transformed the way that we do flattening polishing here.
That's great to hear.
It's a fantastic product.
Yeah.
It's easy to get a really good finished result with very little effort. It's really quite amazing stuff. And it smells incredible.
It does. And what's really interesting from Cartec's point of view, all of our products are made in-house from the floor upwards. So all of the products are designed for performance, for quality. There's no harmful chemicals in them. They're silicon-free, of course.
Which is a big thing in the body shops.
100%. And they're very user-friendly. And the whole point of them is they're designed to do a specific job, which they do with ease. So if we're making your job easier, and it makes you happier, you're going to continue using them. That's what it's all about. This is one of the reasons we don't use fillers.
Yep.
We want to remove scratches, and when the car leaves your premises, it's in premium condition. Even down to the pads, whilst they look pretty in colour compared with the bottles, they're scientifically designed to work together. So the coarseness of the pad is designed to work with the coarseness of the product.
Complements the compound.
100%. And also, we created the Unipad, which is unique to Cartec. So this pad will do both dual action and rotary in one pad, so it reduces inventory. And they're all, as you said earlier, open cell pads, so you can blow through them. Yep. So they're going to disperse heat as well, hence the hole in the middle that we left there. It's great for lining up and for dispersing heat.
Yep. A small amount of warm water and it just washes through and
just wash it through, dry it overnight. Yep. Yeah. Some people use different things to do it with. They'll use a tool or a pad claw, which we created specific for that job. Personally, I prefer water because I just feel I get everything out and everything complements the actual compounds and polishes. So it's really
I mean, we've got fairly basic setup here, but it's a great setup. You don't need to add loads and loads of different products to it. It works so well for what we do as a basic cut and polish on a fresh paint job.
Absolutely. And in our booklet, you've got all of the products in here for the refinish side. And it will go through the different types of cut that it will give you, from heavy duty right through to high gloss.
Yep.
Everything is clear and precise. This is what I love about Cartec. Johan, who owns the company, is a family business. His children are now in the business. One runs marketing side, Marianne, and Jos is technical like Johan, so he's actually involved in the creation of new products and new technologies. They started out in 1986 as a trading company. Actually made their first product, which is called Perfect Polish, in 1994.
Okay.
And it's still in our system, in our colour line system today. It's such a good polish. And the good thing about it is you can actually use it in direct sunlight, which you wouldn't normally do with a polish. And it absolutely gleams. It's perfect. So every product that they make and everything that they do serves a purpose. And it's designed to do a specific job. And this is why we go to a lot of, do a lot of work to get these things right, to make sure that we inform people correctly about how you should use the product and what it's designed for, so you choose the right product for the right job. And it goes all the way through to our wax coat, panel spray, which is designed for quality checking, so you make sure that you've got rid of all those scratches, and it flashes off in the right amount of time so you can see it doing its job. So
yeah.
Everything's specific. And I just introduced your guys to the hybrid wax, which is a really nice product. I love selling this product, and it smells good, doesn't it?
It does smell good. You know, Bo's 18, and the first thing he does is, can I use it?
Yeah. But it's a pure polish, and this will water bead up to 6 months, and so it doesn't affect your rubbers or your plastics. It wipes straight off. It's really good on glass, and it gives you a really deep shine and a coating, so you can actually feel it on the panel. And it's not expensive either, which helps. So it's really good.
Well,
product.
I was going to say, as you're chatting through this here, I kind of hope it speaks volumes that beyond socially, we don't really speak much. We just order product. There's no, Nigel, how does this do this job, or why is it not doing it? Everything that you do is laid out ABC, and it does exactly as it says on the tin. You know, it's such a well thought out system.
Yeah.
That just works.
Appreciate
and it does do everything that the bottle promises it will do.
Yeah. Well, we just ran another product out there, which is the vinyl for dressing plastics and for cleaning and dressing plastics. And you saw how it works on tyres as well. And it's these little things that make a difference that we probably need to show and tell more, which is part of my job, really.
Yeah. No, absolutely. I mean, you've left us, we've got a little book here as well, which I'll overlay something, but the amount of products that you do that do such a great job, sort of, individually. The vinyl cage you've shown us, which we can use on the tyres, and the fact that water beads as well. It's cleaning and protecting at the same time.
100%.
It's great stuff.
Yeah, it is.
And it's cost effective to us because it lasts as well.
So we just demonstrated through buying the larger size where you can save money as well.
Yep.
But just by keeping the bottle and recycling it and using it again and again, and then replacing it with a 5 litre, so you can just top the bottle up, so you're saving money in the process. And that's what we're all about. Cartec operate out of 50 countries throughout the world.
Wow.
They haven't done that just because they make nice products.
Yeah.
It's the whole package. Where we can be more cost effective, where we can save money. The whole point of these compounds is you use less product to get more results, better results. So the whole point to that is that you're saving money not only in product but in time, and you can get those jobs right the first time and out the door, so your customer's satisfied, you're satisfied, you get paid for the job, and everyone's happy.
Which again, as we discussed when you first came in, we're not a huge customer of yours because we do a low volume amount of cars and the product lasts so well. I mean, we've got the 2 bottles here of Diamond Cut, but they're getting on for 12 months old now because the product is so economical to use. And I think one of the big things with Cartec that we've noticed is, obviously, you seem to have exploded in the last 2 or 3 years on social media, but you are incredibly accessible. This is a professional trade product that anyone can buy. And I think that's a really special thing with Cartec, because the product is a high-end product, but the DIY hobbyist, the home detailer, has got access to all of this and can produce their own professional result with the work.
100%. So we do the bottles in 150 ml, in 500 ml, and 1 kilogram or 1 litre size. So there's varying sizes in the compounds and the polishes. It's sold into detailers in a big way, which are really basically high-end finishers in terms of polishing and car prep. Restorers like yourself, who are looking for a high-end finish, but obviously when you're polishing vehicles, you're doing the whole thing, so it can be hard work. Hopefully this makes your life easier. And
it used to be a grind, but
it used to be good. Well, that's nice to hear. And also body shops, of course, you know, which, if I'm honest, we're probably not the strongest in that sector at this stage, but that's what we plan to do going forward. And we're going to invest money in doing that and supporting our distributor partners and working with body shops closely with all of the Cartec range. So that's going to be a great thing for the future for us.
Well, within the body shop, obviously, you've got, or we've got the colour line system out there. So before the car goes out the door, the cleaning process and all of that, but it's all silicone free.
100%.
Which is a huge thing for any body shop. And I'm sure there's other companies do some products like this, but to have your whole range like that is quite a special thing. And you don't have to check in, you don't have to research, is this product silicone free? Because it is, we know it is. And that makes a big difference.
And one of the reasons I mentioned that before earlier, because the catalogue that we presented to you today, there was 1 or 2 products in there that have got silicones in specifically for specific jobs, but they're not brought into the UK. So you can rest assured that everything that comes into the UK is silicone free. And that's very important. Because in some other countries, it's not so critical as it is here. Because we're selling into all these different sectors, specifically body shops and restoration where there's coatings involved. The last thing you want is those bad boys hanging around on the shelves, ready to jump into your fresh paintwork. So it's very important that we protect that for you.
We appreciate that consideration.
And you'll see more and more Cartec out there working with independent distribution, which for us is very important. We want to stay independent and work with the independents because we are champions of distribution. And hopefully, as we go along, we educate more about the products and the systems and how they work, and we can translate that through our distributor partners to you, the users, which is very important for the future too.
Absolutely.
We're going to be running our own training more, which we on site and in our training school. So there's going to be a lot of exciting things happening for the future as well.
Brilliant. We look forward to
you will see more of me, unfortunately, Keith. I thought you thought you got rid of me after Noble.
No, I didn't. I'll get the coffee, you think?
It's like the proverbial bad penny, But no, it's really good to spend some time with you today. And it's great to see the fantastic work you do and you continue to do. And I can't believe how you guys turn this stuff out. It's just amazing. You know, the amount that you do.
Work hard. Work hard with the right people, and it's not hard work. So we appreciate you saving us time with this.
Brilliant.
Really appreciate it.
Good.
I'll put a link in down below. Check out the Cartec website. We've obviously done work with Empire Automotive, who are this area's ceramic guard facility, which I'll put a link up in the top corner. Go back to that video to check out the ceramic guard, because that's a hell of a product.
Fantastic.
Really great product.
Really good,
so. Thank you very much for your time this morning.
Thank you.
This afternoon. It's been a long day.
This afternoon. Thank you. And I'm contactable, of course, with Cartec World website. So anybody wants to talk, we're more than happy.
I'll put a link down below, and get some product, try it out for yourself.
Perfect.
We're not lying.
No. Thank you.